All right, folks, this is my unboxing of the Shepherd Kit game. And you can see there's a lot of tape. And hopefully, I don't want you guys to see my address, so hopefully this will work. All right, had to remove my address. Ha! And we'll continue the opening. I really should get like an additional person to film, but that's... We're a low budget op, people. We're grassroots. Alright, so lots of tape. I also need bedroom scissors, maybe. But you see how sturdy it is? And how deficient with scissors I am. Oh, for God's sakes. Alright, there we go, see? You see it's very nicely bubble wrapped. Whoa, okay. So this is box one. It's very snug. There's no way this thing is moving inside. Bubble wrap for my children. More bubble wrap. There's no way these things are moving inside. Wow. Alright. Oh. Okay, we will unwrap those later. Well, guys, this is real life here. It's unscripted. And then a guidebook. CDs. Yeah, there's, as you can see, nothing moved. So that's cool. All right. The only destroying is afterwards when my children and I... Oh, gosh. Okay, this is what you guys love to watch, right? All right. So this is a guidebook. It's in a nice sleeve protector. And I really did not think this through, huh? I did not. They did. All right, so these are the instructions. Oh, thank God the instructions are in English. As you can see, very pretty. Very thorough explanations. All right, you get the idea. And I presume it'll look different, maybe? I don't know. The CD. Again, in a nice little package. Not just an envelope sleeve, because that would break. And this is in Chinese, I'm assuming, since it's written in Chinese. Oi. Alright, back to the one-handedness. You guys, I could invest in a tripod, but here's what happened. I bought one, promptly lost it in the trash heap of my house. Refused to buy another one because I had already bought one. Got a free one that worked really well for a while. Children broke it. And so now I'm back to, I know there is a tripod somewhere in my house that I paid maybe $30 to $40 for. Cannot locate. Too stubborn to buy another one. Right. Oh, this is something completely different. This is not the Shepherd's Kit. Okay. That is the set of Road doll books that I ordered. And I am very pleased. Okay, so we can leave that for later. But anything that you order from Mr. and Mrs. Books, which I believe is who is fulfilling, ouch, the Shepherd's Kit game series, it is not going to come apart without extreme effort, people. And I apologize if you get motion sick. I might get beat. I'm going to put this down. Alright, I have managed to unbubble wrap it. Now we have to unshrink wrap it. So you see it comes shrink wrapped. This is quality things, guys. Oh, good Lord. I swear I'm competent in things, but perhaps not opening items. Ow, that was my knee. Alright. How do we open this? Okay. 海洋危机. I don't know what this word is, guys. That's what my children are for. Shepherd kit. Very exciting. All right. Open. Ooh, very nice. This comes with a guidebook. Ah, this is all in Chinese. I ordered the Chinese version, and Mr. and Mrs. Books knew that I cannot read Chinese, so she included the English instructions because she is a kind person. I think they also come, you can also ask for the English instructions, or Chinese instructions, I guess, in a PDF form. This is the game board. Pieces. And I suppose I will be breaking these things out soon. Oh, I like it. It's like puzzle pieces. Ooh, very nice burlap game bag. Important silica to make sure things don't get wet. Let's see what's in this pouch. Ooh! Ooh, I like these. Oh, I think they're wood. Sorry, I guess you didn't see that. These are so cute. Look at that. I want to eat them. I have to hide these from the baby because he's going to use them as toys. Maybe the 5-year-old too. Oh, alright. So some of the buttons came loose already. But that's okay, that just saves me effort, I say. Alright. And these are info cards. Scenarios. Oh. Just gonna have to ask our Chinese tutor to play it with the kids and they'll figure it out. And more cards that I will unceremoniously rip. Alright. Pretty cards. Okay. These are very high quality. These are very thick cards, you can see. I mean, not as thick as like a credit card, but definitely thicker than your normal game pieces. Game cards. So you can see the cardboard pieces. These are very sturdy. Oh, I can't even bend it. Look. I know, sorry, my hands are all like chapped and gross. So these are very nice, and I will come back with a review later, I guess. All right, thank you.